I have a vegan gluten-free recipe that is so easy and so good that even Ashley can do it.
Rude.
I know, I'm a jerk for that one, but I couldn't help it, it was just too easy.
Okay, all I can say is, Dena, challenge accepted. Yeah, and whatever. I mean, how hard can this one be? I kind of appreciate that she's dumbing it down for me a little bit though, because last week's was kind of a disaster.
So here is that, you could call it a faux chicken, a faux tuna, whatever it is, but it really does taste like your favorite, you know, tuna salad, chicken salad, something.
Just follow the video this time, Ashley.
I just did the chickpeas, but I like to use half a can. I don't use the whole can just because I won't eat all that much at once, and I like it fresh.
Here we have the chickpeas. I'm gonna do it. Did y'all see that?
And I put celery and onions. I did a stalk of celery and a fourth of an onion. I'm gonna mix that in there.
I got some green onion here instead of her regular old boring onion.
I'm just gonna add some salt and some pepper. And we're gonna smash it. You're gonna smash the beans like this, right? So you want to smash them with your fork like that.
It's gonna be great.
You're smashing it, right? Doesn't matter if you hit the onions or the celery, it's just all good.
This is really weird, but it even randomly smells a little like tuna. So Natch, I think we need a little lemon with it. Dena.
I smash it all in there together, so then little bits of the smash are left over on the pieces of celery. It is so easy.
All you gotta do is follow the video.
Then use a little vegan mayonnaise, if you like mustard or even just olive oil.
If we had some vegan ranch in the house, I would use that.
And something else that's good too. And then just put it all in there. And voila! You have your faux chicken tuna chickpea salad. You can mash it as much as you want.
I prefer mine on some salad greens.
What I like to do is I like to get some gluten-free crackers or some bread.
Now, because we are here to one up Miss Thang, I'm gonna put mine back into a cute little mold.
And it just makes such a good lunchtime protein.
And I'm gonna shape it and love it, make it pretty and call it George.
So you just put it like little there, little there. So good.
Drizzle a little olive oil, and then a little balsamic glaze. It's gonna be delicious, y'all.
No excuse, it's so yummy. Great.
Is my faux tuna salad better than Dena's? I'm just gonna go out on a limb and say yes. I have no idea.
That gets it quick. That was just so fast, I don't know what to do with myself.
It's good, y'all. And it's really fast and it's really easy. So what a great little protein lunch recommendation you had there, Dena. Thank you. I liked it.
So good. Yes, I love it.
Cheers, y'all. See you next time.